Hello and welcome to an unexpected episode of Gear Chest, the series where I unbox a treasure chest of gear, and it turns out that I forgot about one item. That item is the Ultimaxx 52mm professional filter kit. We've seen many Ultimaxx products on the channel, and so far it's clear that they aim towards those on a small budget. So can these cheap filters perform well? Let's find out. Inside the retail box is the carrying case, which looks and feels very nice and reasonably durable. Within the carrying case, there are three filters: a UV or ultraviolet filter, a CPL or circular polarizer filter, and an FLD or fluorescent filter. Each can control the light in different ways and can increase the clarity of the image. By using the UV filter, you can absorb UV rays from the sun to reduce glare and to give a more vivid image. The CPL filter is used to reduce reflections and increase clarity. And lastly, the FLD filter is best used under fluorescent lighting so the image is not overexposed. Each of these filters are used in different situations, so it's important to know when and where to use them. With good care, these filters will last a while, but only time will tell. The Ultimaxx 52mm filter kit really wasn't as bad as I was expecting. They are extremely useful and get the job done. If you're looking for some cheap filters to add to your kit, then these may just be what you're looking for. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.